Today we are hiking again. We are on a day hike, something that is called Vittene Kulturled. This trail took us through historical remains from the Iron Age. At this specific place there have been a longhouse with metal and ceramic crafting, and as well Sweden's third largest gold treasure was found here, exactly beside the tree where there are some orange markings. The most known item was a gold necklace that was found in 1990 at this place, and a farmer didn't know where it was and held it until 1995, where someone examined it and saw what it was. And then they found the rest of the gold treasure at this place. Of course we had to make a mark that we have been here as well. The trail isn't very long, it's about 3 kilometers and takes us as well through some burial and grave fields from the same age, about 2000 years ago. Stay tuned and we will make a beef and beer hot pot for lunch in the end. There's an old motorcycle or moped. That's cool. Okay, today it was meant that our kid should have been with us today, so that's why I take the big pot with us. It's a 2.5 liter pot where the Trangia 27 fits into. Oh, that's for disposals. So the thought was to cook for 4, but we are only going to cook for 2. So we'll look into that if we take the small pots or the big pot. If you only have a 27 but sometimes want to make a stew or cook for 4, it's great to have this one. As I told you before, we just popped up a couple of roe deers in front of us and my dog went crazy. And now we're sitting in front of a very shallow lake. You can't see it because it's vegetation in front of it. And now we see as well 2 cranes. 2 cranes are out there in the acre. And that's nice because the cranes are just arriving to Sweden right now. And that's a very nice sign of spring is coming. I'm gonna fill this up as much as I can because we're going to cook a stew and that takes time. I think something about that would be good. Alright, for this stew I will have some carrot, onion, parsnip, celery, leek, potato and some dried chanterelle, of course some meat and some seasoning. But I will only chop up half of this because we are only 2 today, so I think that will be enough. Tip is I have the Opinel number 10 with a corkscrew. It's very nice. I know that many use the number 8 for cooking in the woods and so on, but this number 10 is more like master chef, I have to say. And I also use it in my camper in the kitchen, and it's good for that as well. I'm going to make small chunks of this today because to keep the cook time low. This I have pre-mixed some seasoning, spices. It's pepper, salt, white and black pepper, some paprika and some chili flakes as well. Yeah, then we pour in some dark beer, some brown ale. And fill up with water. As well I have some fond bouillon. Mix it up a little bit and then we'll let this cook for a while under the lid. Well, nice there. And doggy have a good time. And the cranes are left and all are happy. Then I have to have a silver that is cooking. Let's not forget the chanterelles. will be good. Well, I can tell you, this smells. It smells awesome. I think it's ready. Soft. Voilà.
Va, Jeppe.
Är det gott?
Ja, det var gott. Jättegott.
Voila. That was it. There are a lot of stew left in that pot, so... Or stew. I think it's like more like a beef soup. Or beef beer soup. What do you think? Please comment on that. So I think I will carry that in my handbag. Well, that was a nice lunch in the woods. This trail was not very long, it's only about 3 kilometers, and we walked like through it and looked at all the sites with the historical landmarks.